Good morning, everyone. Today we'll continue with the topic of estimation. Now, estimation we actually use it in our daily life also, which can also be known as approximation. We come across many situations such that where we need to estimate the things or you need to approximate the things. So, I'll just tell you what it is. Even it is also known as rounding off. It is rounding off. Now what happens is, suppose if you go to purchase anything and the total amount which is to be paid, suppose whatever you have purchased, the total amount to be paid is 103 rupees and say 20 paise. Suppose this is the amount which you have to pay. Now here what we do, we pay to the shopkeeper only 103 rupees. This 0.20 which is there, that the shopkeeper itself, he leaves it and he says that okay, you just give me 103 rupees. So this, instead of paying 103.20, that is 103 rupees 20 paise, we pay only 103. So this is what it is known as rounding off. So there are two things, one is rounding above and the another one is rounding below, rounding down. So I will discuss one by one each step today. Now first thing is rounding off to nearest 10. Rounding the numbers to nearest 10. Now here what happens, if suppose I give you a number, say 17, and I ask you to round off it to nearest 10. Now 10, nearest 10 means the values to be taken are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. So these are the tens, 80, 90. Okay. Now what you have to see is the number which is given to you, it is near to which number, whether it is near to 10, whether it is 20, whether it is 30. Now because it is 17, it lies between 10 and 20. किसके बीच में आएगा ये? 10 और 20 के बीच में आएगा. अब 10 के बाद 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. So these are the numbers which you have. Now you are given 17. तो हमारा 17 कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. This is the place. Now this 17, is it near to 10 or it is near to 20? अब ये किसके नजदीक में है? 10 के नजदीक में है या 20 के नजदीक में? You can clearly see that it is near to 20. So rounding off 17, it becomes 20. It is closer to 20. तो जिसके नजदीक में होता है हम उसकी तरफ उसको राउंड कर देते हैं. Now here only, if I had given you say a number 12. Now this 12, it is near to 10 or it is near to 20. This is 12 here. So if you see here, 12 is near to 10 and it is far away from 20. 20 से दूर है लेकिन 10 के नजदीक में है 12. तो इसलिए 12 को हम किसकी तरफ राउंड ऑफ करेंगे? 10. We will round off 12 to 10. Now the question arises, if it is 15, then what we will do? अब 15 की अगर हम बात करें तो 15 के लिए क्या करोगे? ये 15 है. अब 15 अगर आप चेक करते हो तो वो 10 और 20 के बीच में आता है. It is the midpoint. It is the center. Now here in this case, what to do and how to round it off? Then what we will do, if it is the center point, we are going to round it to the next one. हम उसको किसकी तरफ राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, जो उसके बाद जो टेंस आएगा उसकी तरफ, यानी 15 को अगर हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो वो क्या आएगा 20, इट विल बी 20. Similarly, if I ask you now 54, so 54 if you are rounding off to nearest 10, अगर 54 को नियर 10 में राउंड ऑफ करोगे तो किसकी तरफ जाएगा, क्या आएगी वैल्यू 54, इट इज नियर टू 50 और नियर टू 60. 54 कहाँ आता है, 50 और 60 के बीच में आता है. सो इट इज नियर टू 50 और इट इज नियर टू 60, किसके पास में है, इट इज नियर टू 50. सो राउंडिंग ऑफ 54 इट बिकम्स 50. If I ask 79, now 79 it is near to 80, so rounding off 79 nearest 10 it becomes 80. If I ask you say 21, now what we will do with 21, 21 will be rounded off to 20. If you are asked say 65, now what about 65? 65 lies between 60 and 70. 65 किसके बीच में आता है, 60 और 70 के बीच में आता है, और it is the midpoint. 65 तो इन दोनों के बीच में आता है, ना इधर ना इधर, किसी के नजदीक में नहीं है, दोनों से बराबर डिस्टेंस पे आता है. Then what you will do, you will round off 60 to the next value, that is it will become 70. So this is how we round off to nearest 10. इस तरह से हम nearest 10 की तरफ round off करते हैं. क्या करेंगे, nearest 10 के लिए जो वैल्यू दी है उसको चेक करेंगे कि वो किसकी तरफ जाती है, किसके पास में है. It is to whichever the value it is nearer, we will round it off towards that value. Now similarly, we have to round off to nearest hundreds. Now if we round off the values to nearest hundreds, यहाँ हमने किसके राउंड ऑफ किया था, nearest 10. Now we will round off to nearest hundreds. Now in case of hundreds, what we will do, the values to be taken are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and so on. Whenever we have to round off to nearest tens, we are going to round it to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Whenever we are going to round off to nearest 100, we will take 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. Now here, if you are given a value say 225, now to round off it to nearest 100, what we will do, how we will do it, whether it is now 225, it lies in between 200 and 300. अब 225 किस किस के बीच में आता है, 200 और 300 के बीच में. लेकिन ये जो 225 है ये किसके पास में है, 200 के या 300 के. How will you find it out? Now you just tell me the midpoint of 200 and 300. अब 200 और 300 के बीच में जो मिड पॉइंट है वो कौन सा है, द मिड वैल्यू इज 250 एंड 225 इट इज लेस देन 250. ये 225 जो है 250 से कम है, 250 से लेस है. तो जब ये इससे कम है तो किसके पास में होगा, 200 के पास में. तो 225 will be rounded to 200. If you have a value say 270, now this 270 it is greater than 250, 250 से ज्यादा है, तो किसके पास में चला गया, 300. तो 270 will be rounded to 300. If you have 250, now again as I told you for the tens, 250 it is the midpoint, so it will be rounded off to the next value, that is it will be rounded off to 300. More examples to be taken. If you have say 403, now what is the round off to 403? अब ये किसके पास में है, to which value is it nearer, it is nearer to 400, so it becomes 400. If it is say 780. Now this is near to 800, so it will be rounded off to 800. So this is rounding off to nearest 10 and to nearest 100. Now we'll continue next. I'll tell you more about it, but meanwhile just try to solve a few questions. I'll give you examples or say some questions to round off. So round off to nearest tens. So this you have to round these numbers to nearest 10. I'll give you the numbers. Say the number is 19, 24, 55, 79, 81. These 5 numbers you have to round out them to nearest 10, and then you have to round off to nearest hundreds. Now nearest hundreds to be rounded off, say 625, 750, 529, say 385, 269, these values. So just complete this, and we'll continue more about rounding off. We'll do the next values in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.